Good day, my furry viewers. So today I'm going to show you how to make a citronella mosquito repellent like this. It's so fudging easy. Like I did it, you can do it. Oh my gosh. It works. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so amazed. Like, damn. We bought this and I don't need this anymore because of this. It's just a rubbing alcohol and a citronella grass that I cut. Like, damn, it worked. Yesterday we got a citronella plant and then we replanted it today. So I'm going to show you clips of what I did, what I'm doing here. Yes, I'm learning farming and everything, trust. So yeah, it's so effing simple. You just need a rubbing alcohol. I'm going to show you a clip while I'm talking. So yeah, rubbing alcohol, citronella plant, just cut it and put it in a bottle and leave it for 24 hours. And the more, I don't know, I think 24 hours is the maximum because just that's the most potent, I think so. It worked like effing hell. I already tried it to leave it for around 1 hour. The alcohol already color green and I tried it on and it worked. It's not yet 24 hours but it worked. Like, damn, I'm so amazed. I sprayed it all over my body. Before you do that, you need to patch test before spraying it all over your body. So you gotta know what if it's you have an allergic reaction, and luckily for me I don't have, so I sprayed it all over my body. And damn, I sleep well because there's a lot of mosquitoes here. Like, I got a lot of mosquito bites all over my arms and legs. Like, damn. So yeah, this is so easy to make. If you have a citronella plant, you don't even need to buy it if your neighbor or it's just growing on the road. Like, damn, take a whole bunch and plant it on your place and then you have a citronella plant. But keep in mind that not planting a citronella plant doesn't let keep the mosquitoes away. You need to extract it. There are a lot of ways to do that. You can cook it on an oil, olive oil, baby oil, whatsoever kind of oil to extract the oil. So this one is I use it in rubbing alcohol. It worked fine. Like, damn, I'm so amazed. Like, I don't need to buy a bottle of oil that costs 1K and this small. Like, those companies are like scamming you out of your money. So yeah, no, I'm not going to buy any of that, even though I have the money to buy it. Like, and by the way, it's also usable on my humidifier. Like, it also works. So if you're going to use it on a diffuser, of course it's for oils. You should extract it from using an oil. So it's so easy. There's a lot of material to learn here on YouTube, Google. Like, just do your research, try, and get to work. So I'm just so amazed how it turned out. Like, damn. So yeah, that's how it is. This is it.